All right, I want to look at one of the word problems from our homework. So we're given the following directions. If A, B, and C are digits for which the following holds, so they're referring to this problem down here, we're supposed to find what A plus B plus C equals. So I'm going to use the information given here to figure out what A, B, and C are. So I have this 3-digit number minus a 3-digit number, and here's my answer. So I've got to fill in our missing. Here's A, B, and C. Now I find it easiest to start in the middle and then work out. So I like to start right here. This isn't the only possible way, but just what I like to do. So I'm going to look at this fact right here. A minus 5 has to equal 6. This number A minus this number 5 is going to give me 6. So I got this number statement right here. Well, the only number in the world that A can be is 11, because 11 minus 5 is equal to 6. That's the only possible number. The problem is 11 is 2 digits. So that means I'm going to have a 1, and for A, and if we think about our borrowing or that we learned in elementary school, the other 1 came from over here, from this 9, the hundreds place. So I had to borrow from this hundreds to get my 11 right there. Now I know that 8 minus 5 has to be 3. So I know that C is 3. So I know C is 3. And I know that this A, remember it can only be 1 digit. So A has to be 1. All of these are 1-digit numbers. I was making it 11. 11 minus 5 was 6. But the 1 came from over here, from this hundreds place. So I know right now I think A is 1. I'm going to come over and do my last set here. Let me change up colors so you can see where my work's coming from. So now I have my last set. I have this 1 minus B. So 1 minus B has to be 9. Well, that doesn't make a lot of sense. 1 minus any number is not going to give me 9. So that means I'm going to have to borrow again. I know that 11 minus 2 is 9. Now, how do I know to choose 11? Because this number, right here, this 1, had to be in the ones place. When I borrow, if I were to borrow from my tens place, it's going to come over and be in the tens place because it was from the tens. So this is the 1 for my problem, and this guy right here is the borrowed guy. So now I know that B is 2. I borrowed, though. I needed a 1 right here. So that means this 1 came from A. So I had A being 1, but now I know that A is actually 2 because I had to take 1 and give it over here to the ones place. So A is 2. So A plus B plus C is 2 plus 2 plus 3, or 7. I can check this if I want to make sure that I did it right. So to check it, I'm just going to come up here and write my numbers. So I know that I had 9. A I said was 2, and then 1 minus 5, 5. B I said was 2. I can take that, type it in my calculator, 921 minus 552, and I'm going to get out 369. C was 369. I know it's a bit confusing, but maybe watch the video a couple times and try one on the homework by yourself and let me know if you have any questions.